guys, and welcome to the Celestial DIY tutorial. I'm going to start off with making the star garland. I've just cut out a 5-pointed star that I've drawn on some card. I'm going to then place that on some pieces of cardboard that I've cut out. I'm going to trace around it and start cutting them out on the thicker pieces of cardboard. As you can see, I've cut out my stars now. I've done 12 stars. Just do as many as you need for the length of your string and however, the length that you want your garland to be. And next I'm going to flip them on the back and I'm going to tape them to the back of the string. The next step is what I'm going to do is once they're taped together, I'm using this acrylic metallic paint and I'm just going to dab the cardboard side, the brown cardboard side with just a bit of sponge, just to give them a bit of like a rusty colour. You can leave them as cardboard or you can paint them whatever colour you want. And there we have it, that's the star garland. You can hang it whichever way you like. I actually kind of like it hanging down like this. You could do multiple ones, different sizes. You could do moons, stars, mix them all together. You can do whatever you want really. I just want to hang this one on the wall. Okay, now I've cut out a moon shape just using the same cardboard that I used before, and I've just rolled out some terracotta clay. I'm just going to trace around the moon shape, and then I'm going to remove the excess clay, and then I'm just going to go around and mould it to the exact shape that I want. Now with the clay, I was going to make a moon dish, but I've realised I've actually got a lot of those that I've made already, so I'm actually just going to make a standard moon shape. Now you can make a moon dish, and if you wish to do so, just make sure you turn up the edges of the moon and kind of pat it in the middle to make like a bit of a ridge, so then you can like place rings or earrings or whatever you like on there. You can also make a little hole at the top where you could actually then hang it on a wall just using a standard nail, but this time I just want to make a normal moon shape to put it amongst my decor. Okay, I'm happy with the shape of that now, and I'm just going to leave that to dry. This is actually, I can put this one in the oven. You can use air drying clay, it does not matter at all. I'm just going to put this in the oven and then we'll come back to this later. While I'm waiting for my moon to dry, I'm going to paint my gate. Now I'm going to use this Celestial stencil with some gold acrylic paint and just a standard paintbrush. This is the gate that I'm going to be painting. We just have a patio here out the back of my house. I painted it black a few weeks ago just with a black wood stain. So I'm just going to use a stencil and pat out the shapes that I want. Also, don't mind me and my scruffs. It was very windy outside and it is lockdown, and I couldn't be bothered getting ready today because I was busy doing these crafts, so yeah, I'm just in my scruffs. The gold did actually get a little bit on the gate just with using the stencil and whatnot, so the little patches that you can see I just went over with the black wood stain to just cover up some of the gold bits that went wrong a little bit, but obviously that will dry, so this is how it looks. Okay, so now my moon is dry. I am just going to use the same acrylic gold paint that I used for the gate actually, and I'm going to use a sponge again and just dab that with the gold just to give it a bit of a nice effect, and a celestial kind of colour, and yeah, that'll basically be done. Once that's dry, we're sorted. So there you have it. There's my simple celestial DIY crafts for today. I am going to be doing plenty more of these. Obviously some of them won't be as simple as these ones, but I just wanted to start off with some simple ones just to introduce my channel. So if you want to see more stuff like that, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.